How to unblock an account on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock an account on TikTok. So it's so easy. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second choice, which is privacy, and scroll down and now click on the second before the last option, blocked account. So now click on unblock. Now you unblocked this account. Now he can see the information of your TikTok. So it's so easy. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.